So it's widely in the news that Samsung is working on not just a wide but a very wide style foldable phone, just like the Huawei Pura X Max. Yes, Huawei already has its wide folding phone. Apple is also likely to enter the foldable phone market with a wide style foldable phone, and the next in the line could be the Honor. And guess what? We already got some of its key details. So let's roll the intro. So the leak came from the reliable tipster digital chat station, and while he didn't explicitly mention the brand name, but hints about it could be the Honor in the comments of the same post. Anyway, as per the tipster, this wide style foldable phone will have around 7.6 inches main display, that will be the folding display, and about 5.5 inches cover display. Now, in comparison, Huawei, which we can say is a pioneer in this wide foldable phone category, its Pura X Max measures 7.7 inches folding display and 5.4 inches cover display, while Samsung Z Fold Wide is rumored to get the 7.6 inches foldable and 5.4 inches cover display. So size-wise, Honor's wide folding phone will be similar to the competition. Now on the chipset side, per the tipster, this new foldable phone will use the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 series processor, which will be based on the highly efficient 2nm architecture. So in terms of chipset, Honor's wide foldable will surely gonna offer superior performance compared to Huawei's Pura X Max. Also, this suggests Honor's wide folding phone will be a flagship level device. Unfortunately, at the moment, we don't know if it goes for a triple camera setup, including a telephoto. It could have a good edge over the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Wide, which will come with only wide and ultra wide sensors, which is kinda disappointing for such a high-end device. Now, for the launch, the tipster claimed the Honor wide phone could debut in the second half of the year. Anyway, per the tipster, there will be many wide folding phones from different brands that could launch this year. So soon we might hear about Xiaomi or Oppo's wide folding phone. Of course, I will keep you updated. Let me know what you think about the wide style folding phone, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.